Uh-oh, she's looking at us. Say,
What? Oh, sorry, sir. No one was listening.
is it garbage night? We left the toilet seat up. What? What is it, woman? What?
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreams.
Foot is down. Woo!
You're the reason why, hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. In the laughter, I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me unless. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess.
Good job, gentlemen. That could have been a disaster.